Hello, I am Dr. Point and I will be your course facilitator for BHA 3202, Standards of Healthcare Staff. I wanted to take this opportunity to personally welcome you to the course. As the course's name implies, throughout the course we will explore the traits and professional standards required to be a successful member of the healthcare team. We will study work ethic, professional qualities, teamwork, cultural competence, communication, morals, and career development. Please be sure to review your course syllabus for all the required work in the course, as much of the work will consist of weekly course discussions, unit assignments, an article critique, and a comprehensive final exam. As you might imagine, the field of healthcare is very dynamic, and there are opportunities for those who acquire the requisite skill sets. We continue to hear the phrase that the only constant in healthcare is change, and that phrase basically sums up the idea that healthcare environment is non-static, and from a policy position as well as a practical position, change does occur. Every change that occurs in the policy level impacts the practical level. Therefore, as we prepare to become healthcare staff, we have to be diligent in terms of mastering the basics. This is an exciting course, and I'm even more excited to be working with you at this time. I truly look forward to sharing in your experience as you gain more perspective on the standards necessary to become an effective member of the healthcare staff. It is great to virtually meet each of you, and I appreciate the opportunity to share in this aspect of your educational journey. Please be sure to contact me with any questions or concerns that you may have throughout the course.